Hey there, it's Stacy with Home Organized Tribe, and I'm back with another 2-minute tidy tip. And today is tip number 74. If you are constantly feeling like your kitchen is full of food, but still don't know what to cook, or if you're wasting money buying things you already have, this episode is just for you. Okay, remember, these 2-minute tidy tips are short, simple ideas to help you reset your home one small step at a time. So let's dive in. Today's tip is all about one thing you should always be doing before you go grocery shopping, and that is spend 5 minutes tidying up your fridge and your pantry if possible, at least one of them, right? I want to give you a quick, efficient way that you can do this to just get through it so that you don't overthink it. We're going to toss anything that's expired or empty. Think about that half-used salsa that's been in there for a while that you just keep shoving to the side. I just recently did this. It needs to go in the trash. It's time. Then you want to take and put like items together, even in your fridge. I know we've talked about this in your pantry, but the fridge is the same way. All your condiments, all your snacks. If you want to do that in your pantry, but you also want to do it in your fridge, that way you can quickly see what's expired. Like if all your salad dressings are there, we can quickly look at them and toss them. Then I want you to wipe one visible shelf or surface. You don't need to do a deep clean. Don't overthink this. This is just a quick refresh. Take a mental or real, if you have time, inventory of what you have and what you don't have. That way you're not buying stuff that is actually just hidden behind something else and you're getting stuff you actually need. This quick reset does three very powerful things. Number one, it saves money. Number two, it prevents food waste. Number three, helps you plan meals with what you already have. I don't know about you, but I hate going to buy a bunch of food, coming home and seeing I already had it, or I've had things in there a while. It's time to use them. So sometimes it's like use up the fridge time or use up the pantry time in my house. So I don't know if you do that, but what are the things that have been sitting there that it's time to make sure we use them? This will help you save money too. All right, here's the kicker. When your food zones are functional, you actually want to cook or eat at home more often. I don't know if you've felt this before or if you stop and really think about it. When the pantry and the kitchen and the fridge are all a hot mess, like we want to avoid those places in our house that make us feel like that. This is another important reason while just giving it a little refresh, don't overthink. Remember, we do small, simple steps here. Okay, if you need more guidance, I have a full kitchen reset program. It's step by step for you guys to help you organize every piece of your kitchen, whether it's your pantry, it's your fridge, it's all your drawers. We're going to talk about, do you have too much of stuff? Is it just overwhelming when you open your cabinets? We're going to address that. I have videos, checklists, cheat sheets, all for you. The link is below. That's called my kitchen reset program. But if you're like, Stacy, I just don't even have the time or the mental capacity to think about resetting any full room in my house right now, I want you to check out my 10-minute reset challenge. I take you through 10 rooms of my house and spend 10 minutes and show you how you can get so much done in just 10 minutes. So if that's what you really need, I've got it for you. You can see the link below in the show notes. All right. That's it for today. Don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss another 2-minute tidy tip here at our Home Organized Tribe community. And I look forward to seeing you guys on the next episode. Please comment below, send me an email. I absolutely love to hear what are your struggles, what are successes. How's the motivation when you listen to these tips? Give me some good feedback. I want to make sure that you guys are motivated and tackling little things at a time. All right, that's it for today. Happy decluttering.